In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your project on CapCut PC. If you've ever finished editing a video and then struggled to locate that project again, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly reopen any recent project on CapCut using your computer. First, make sure you're on the CapCut website in your browser or that the CapCut desktop app is open. Start by logging into your CapCut account. Use the same login method you used when you created or edited your project before, so that all your work is saved under the same account. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll be taken to your main CapCut workspace. On this main screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. You'll see a vertical panel with different sections. In that left panel, look for the section labeled Templates and Projects. This is where CapCut groups together your editing resources and any work you've done before. Within that section, you'll see an option called Recent Projects. Go ahead and click on Recent Projects. This tells CapCut that you want to see the projects you've been working on most recently instead of starting something from scratch. After you click it, the page will load a new view. Give it a moment if your internet is a bit slow. Once it's loaded, you'll see a list or a grid showing your recent projects. Each item here represents a video project you've edited before while logged into this account. Take a look through the titles or thumbnails and find the project you want to continue working on. When you've identified the right one, simply click on that project. As soon as you do, a new web page will open or the editor will load within the app, and CapCut's editor will appear with your chosen project already open. From there, you can review your timeline, make changes, add new clips, or export your video just like you normally would. If at any point you need to return to a different project, you can always go back to the Recent Projects section and repeat the same process. And that's it. That's all you need to do to find and reopen your project on CapCut P.